Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So today is the 30th of July and me along with my parents, we are going to attend my convocation ceremony. Now if you have seen this video, it will be up somewhere here. If you have seen it, this is a video of last year where I go to my college and you must have seen these pictures. But let me clarify, these were not my graduation pictures. I had just gone to collect my provisional degree and I knew that eventually the convocation ceremony is gonna be held online, so I did not want to lose out on my pictures, so I carried a black robe and a hat to click the pictures. And I was right, because finally we are having a convocation ceremony for our batch, and it is of course going to be a virtual one because of the ongoing pandemic. Now you must be wondering, then why am I traveling to my college? It is because only the medalists have been invited to attend the ceremony offline. And yes, I have earned a medal for myself for being one of the batch toppers. I can't even tell you guys how happy I am and how proud my parents are for this achievement. If you're wondering why didn't my brother accompany us, it is because he is below 18 and has not been vaccinated, so we thought it would be best to keep him away from traveling. And also he has his online classes. And we have reached Delhi guys, and we are going to Moradabad. We are gonna reach quite late at night, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's the next day and I'm ready. This is the dress code for the medalists, and for boys I guess it's gonna be kurta. Since last couple of convocations, my college has replaced the black robe and the hat with Indian wear to adapt the Indian culture. But I don't get the feeling of graduating until you wear that robe with the hat, so I'm still gonna click pictures in my black robe from last time. So I'll see you there. Right after reaching the campus, we were asked to assemble in this lecture theatre where we were supposed to get our turbans tied. That guy over there, he was asking me to tie my hair, and I was so determined because I did not want to spoil my hair. So I even told him, भैया मैंने सुबह 1 घंटा लगाकर बाल कर्ल किए हैं, तो मैं तो टाई नहीं करूँगी. And as you can see, he was tying the turban without my hair being tied, and my hair was getting butchered. Like it was getting pulled from all the sides. My nose and mouth were already covered, and then my ears got covered and half of my eyes were covered, and I was like I'm just losing my senses one after the other. I couldn't feel a thing. My day had just begun and I was already thinking, when is this turban gonna come off my head? As you can see from my expressions, I was getting so irritated. I was just thinking to myself that, oh god, I have studied so hard and I'm getting this medal finally, so I'll just bear this turban on my head for a couple of hours as well. Right after that, we were called outside to line up for the procession. So these are the bronze medalists. We had medalists from around 20 colleges from our university and more than 40 to 45 academic courses. Then the silver medalists, that's me there. So only the medalists combined, we were around 150 to 200 of us. That is the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, who is the chief guest for today. And then there are the gold medalists and the PhD holders.
to welcome our reverend public representatives. Sir.
Postgraduate Diploma in Yoga Education.
Dr. Unnati Agarwal, BDS.
So after the convocation ceremony ended, we clicked pictures. I clicked with my parents, with my medal and my degree. And right after that, we were asked to go to the indoor sports complex for the professional photographs. Now this is the setup, but I have no idea how and when are we gonna get those professional photographs, but still I went ahead and clicked pictures with my parents.
So guys, we are done with the convocation and look who I have with me, the gold medalist Namra. Say hi. Hi.
And I also clicked pictures with Namra, and look at these pictures. They scream beauty with brains. I'm sure you guys will agree with me.
So guys, I have changed and now we are checking out from the hotel, and now we'll be leaving for Delhi because I have an early flight tomorrow. So see you in the next vlog. I hope you enjoyed it and keep supporting. Bye bye.